Tell me so. I'm in the loop. I'm out of ways.
If I did it all again, I would give like 10%. You deserve like half today. I'ma need my money back. I'm running through you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see by the title, I'm doing another wig install, and this wig was sent to me from Yolissa Hair. Now they sent me this wig in 14 inches and it's their Omber straight ball wig, as you guys can see. Now this wig is in 180 density and it's really giving 200 to me, to be honest. So with this being a 180 density wig, this is also a 13x4 frontal and it has so much space to me. For this to be a bald wig, I usually love side parts for bald, so I can do like this, but that's basically what I love to do. And with it being a 13x4, I feel like that's perfect. I know a lot of people love side parts as well. Yes, she's giving y'all. This honey blonde is ombre at that too. But yes, y'all, this is basically it for the wig. The details. Now the pros and cons of this wig. On a scale of 1 to 10, I rate this wig an 8. It does tangle a bit in the back, nape of the neck, but it's really not too much tangling. It's just a little bit of tangling in the nape of the neck, and I really don't like that because I like to be able to, you know, run my fingers through my hair. So if I'm in public and I go like this and my hand gets stuck, I'm gonna be a little bit embarrassed. But other than that, the density of this wig is good. The color is perfect. The frontal, the lace, let me get into the lace. The lace was super good. I did pluck it some more though, but it was already pre-plucked. It was super perfect. The hairline was super full. I didn't really have to do much, but I plucked it to my liking because I'm trying to get into customizing my own wigs instead of having the company, you know, do all the work for me. I'm feeling the side part on this wig, the color, everything. So without further ado though, let's get into the install.
Business got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. And you at your mommy screaming about outside, I keep it quiet. Keep it on the ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. Keep it on the ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. Choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Keep it on the ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, let nobody knows. I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacement's on the way, please don't play. That pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no drink, cold up, don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got a new with the you crying for. I'm moving soft, it's calling on my face. I don't know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up tonight, we committed a crime. Why you belong, you won't save your spot. Can't be outside, cause I'm not getting too high. And I'm on your mind. Whatever you want, don't call me. Girl, you know it's on me, I like to get it poppin'. This is my business, got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Said your mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Keep it on the ski, I'm the lowest of the lows. But if you can keep it, let nobody knows. Keep it on the poppin', but these is in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. And you at your mommy's screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, then nobody knows. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, then nobody knows. Choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, then nobody knows. I need you to get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, please don't break. That pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no drink, cold up, don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got a new what the f you crying for? I'm moving soft, calling on my face. I don't know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Where's at the night, we committed a crime. Why you belong, you won't say good spot. Can't be outside, cause I'm not getting too high. And I'm on your mind. Whenever you want, don't call me. Girl, you know it's on me, I like to get it poppin'. This in my business, got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Said your mommy's screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, then nobody knows. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, then nobody knows. I need total confidential private. No one knows thinking I'm a real bad. Time so strange that we on the first class, man. But work my nerves, you know I can more. And we ain't making love no more. You took that talk, but you know not to win. So show whatever you want. Whatever you need. Don't call me. I never suddenly I like to get it poppin', but these is in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. And you at your mommy's screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, then nobody knows. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, then nobody knows.
That's nuts, Billy.
Business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, then nobody knows. I need you to get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, please don't break. That pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no drink, cold up, don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got a new with the I'm moving soft, it's calling on my face. I don't know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up tonight, we committed a crime. Wherever long, you won't save your spot. Can't be outside, cause I'm not getting compliant. And I'm on your mind. Whenever you want, don't call me. Girl, you know it's all on me, I like to get it poppin'. This is my business, I mean, out you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Said your mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Keep it all low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows. Keep it all low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows. I need total confidential.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because what are you doing? And I know y'all see the camera quality that got updated. But yeah, it's a new year, so I decided to start using my camera instead of my phone. I'm trying to get more and more into tech and stuff. So I want to stop using my phone and I want to start using my camera, because it's like a $500 camera. Why wouldn't I use it? But yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you, Yolissa, for sending me this wig. I definitely loved it. She's super beautiful. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, guys.